Feel yourself connecting to this frequency, being in resonance with Mother Earth, feeling how Mother Earth is always self-harmonizing, self-balancing, flowing with ease. It's Megan with the Morphic Field. When we are tuned to the frequency of Mother Earth, when we are in resonance with Mother Earth, we are aligned with her self-balancing, harmonizing, flowing nature. So in this tabletop constellation, you're going to tune through the Morphic Field to the frequency of Mother Earth. Receive messages in a deep healing. All right, so let's begin. Grab your post-it notes and a pen, or you can also follow along like it's a meditation. So we're drawing the arrow up top. That's the direction in which the parts are facing in the field. We're going to bring in Mother Earth. So we're writing Mother Earth. And let's place Mother Earth in. And we will place our hand on the representation for Mother Earth. And as we do, we are going to be channeling the energy, information, resonance, frequency, vibration of Mother Earth. So allow this information to come in through the field to you. So this is supporting you here. So the information that comes in will support you for whatever healing, transformation, guidance, support messages you need right now, or are asking for, or have intentions for. So the healing field, the morphic field, is always moving towards wholeness, balance, and harmony. So be open to receive. So perhaps receiving some balancing energy right now. So allowing Mother Earth to support you right now. Noticing what you're noticing. What do you feel? What do you see when you're looking through your mind's eye, standing in the shoes of Mother Earth? What are you noticing? What do you see? See if you can feel into the plants, the trees, the birds, the elements, water, air, fire, earth, the creatures, the insects, the grass. What are you noticing? What's coming through the field for you to support you right now? Feeling into the energy of Mother Earth, feeling into the vibration, frequency, resonance of Mother Earth. Feel yourself connecting to this frequency, being in resonance with Mother Earth, feeling how Mother Earth is always self-harmonizing, self-balancing, flowing with ease. These fractals of growth, as above, so below, this infinite wisdom, this ancient knowledge. Feel into the wisdom, the beauty, the growth, the healing, the transformation, the cycles of Mother Earth. Receive the information, particular, personal to you for your own healing, opening yourself up to receive. Also feeling yourself right now as you're seated, connecting to Mother Earth, feeling supported by Mother Earth. See if there's something to release right now, some sort of energy to release from yourself. Allow Mother Earth to recycle that for you. So actually feeling, seeing this energy leaving you, being recycled by Mother Earth. Deepening your relationship that's always happening with Mother Earth. This symbiotic relationship. How is the relationship with Mother Earth symbiotic? Notice. What messages does Mother Earth have for you right now? See if there's something for you to say to Mother Earth, deepening your relationship, becoming more aware of the vibration, frequency, resonance of Mother Earth. There may be some words for you to say out loud. When I am in tune, when I am in resonance with Mother Earth, I feel relaxed. I am in my flow. I feel balanced. I feel harmonized. See what words are there for you and speak those words out loud. Again, you're giving yourself instructions and you're giving the universe instructions. You're deepening your relationship with Mother Earth when you speak those sentences of truth, of healing out loud. Okay, we're going to complete this short snapshot frequency activation constellation in just a moment. Before we do, fully receive in your heart space the gifts, the blessings from Mother Earth. Okay, we'll complete here. Thank you for watching this video, for tuning into the Morphic Field. These short tabletop constellations are a snapshot of the healing and transformational work that we can access through the Morphic Field. If you are seeking deep, profound healing and spiritual guidance for your journey here, visit themorphicfield.com. If you got something out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Morphic Field channel.